So that's the train street. Look at that. So the chairs are placed, like I said, just like play theater or a movie. This is very unique. And we can walk here on the rail, and no one cares. I mean, the train is going to pass in a few minutes, and we can just walk anywhere. And there are not many. Actually, there is no protection between us and the train whatsoever. So now we're going to find a place for us to sit down and enjoy the show. For the train to pass, the locals are already blow the whistle, so this means that the train is coming. They ask us to back up. So what can I tell you about this train? This railroad was built by and gassed by the French colonizers, in the early 20th century. This was supposed to be to build a link connection from the north and south of the country, and this is exactly what it does even nowadays. This train links Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh, and this, you see, this means that the train is coming. So despite the danger of this attraction, so to speak, the train continues to pass here. Sometimes in certain periods the authorities close it for the tourists, but not always. But now let's watch the train coming. And there it comes, the big lady, the big attraction. There it comes. Look at the train, ladies and gents. Some people applaud. So that was a train. How did you like it? It's fun. So there's not much to say about the train other than what I said, but it's worth seeing. If you wanna come and if you are in Hanoi, it's worth the trip to watch the train pass by. That was the train station in Hanoi, ladies and gents. Okay, so we just watched the train pass, and we bought a T-shirt, and I met this beautiful, beautiful lady selling T-shirts on the train track, and you're gonna meet her now. I have to. Everything is very, very narrow here. So, hello.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Sue. G-H-U.
Here, because it's Sue here. Okay, and how long do you sell T-shirts here?
At about 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
And how do you speak such good English?
I go to school before.
Oh, English school? English school or other school?
English school.
Oh, okay, very nice. You live around here?
I live 20 kilometers from here.
You live 20 kilometers from here? Where do you live?
That way.
Oh, 20.
Văn Điền.
And you come every day here? Wow.
Every day I come here, every day I go home. Come go.
And how long did it take to get home?
1 hour, 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yeah.
Well, 1 hour go.
Yes, 1 hour come here, 1 hour go back home.
And let me see. And do you take this train? Have you ever taken this train before?
No, I go my bus.
No. Yeah, I know,
Yeah.
but in your life, have you ever taken this train? No, never.
No, never.
Okay. And okay, you live with your family,
Yeah.
with kids. Yeah.
2 kids.
2 kids.
Yeah.
Congrats. Congratulations. You are very nice. I'll give you kids. No, but you are very nice.
Yeah, you very funny.
Thank you. I'm very funny. Okay. Thank you. Sing come on. Sing come on.
How many days you stay here?
8 days.
8 days.
Yes.
Tomorrow you here?
I'm here. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, tomorrow.
So we see again.
Yeah, I see you again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. You're very nice.
Yeah.
I love you. You're a very nice person.
Thank you.
Very nice person. Thank you.
Tomorrow you come here.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I see you again tomorrow.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Same time.
Yes.
Same time.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Here and over there.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
I go with you.
Thank
If tomorrow I see you again, come here. Maybe tomorrow I can maybe one day. Maybe Monday you here. Monday.
No, we leave on Sunday.
Sunday. Oh, maybe after tomorrow I can. Maybe after tomorrow I take you go somewhere.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You take us somewhere?
Yeah. I can
Oh.
cook for you.
Oh, great.
Maybe one day.
Very good.
Yeah.
I want to know where you live.
I live in the that way.
I want to go there.
You want to go my family?
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah, of course. Can we go there?
Very difficult because that very difficult. Yeah, I thinking. So I can thinking.
Let's go. Let's go.
You want to go my family?
Yes, of course. I want to meet your family.
Okay.
We have lunch together.
Okay.
Can we go?
Yeah. But tomorrow I see you. I talking with you.
Okay.
Tomorrow I talking with you.
Okay. So we go see your family.
Yeah.
So we go do some shopping.
Yeah.
Buy things for your family.
Yeah. Okay.
Food.
Okay.
It's good. Okay. See you tomorrow here.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Okay. Do you see this? They are always like this. The Vietnamese people everybody's like this. They're super friendly. They have a wonderful heart. Everybody, 100%. At least the people that I met, and I met a lot of people, they are all very, very nice. Very nice, all ages. This country, this people is amazing. You have to visit Vietnam. You have to come here.